Hi, I'm Murdo, paint expert from Resene. Today I'm going to show you how to paint French doors inside and out. First of all, remove any fixtures and fittings and put down a drop cloth. Put on your PPE, mask, gloves and glasses. Mix Resene moss and mould killer according to the instructions on the back of the pack. Kill any present moss and mould spores both inside and out. Leave it on for 12 to 24 hours, then apply Resene Paint Prep and Housewash and give it a scrub. Try to keep it away from the glass, then rinse off with water. Or if the door is already in good condition, you can clean the inside of the door with Resene Interior Paintwork Cleaner. Remove any loose and flaking paint, then sand smooth. Make sure you are wearing a mask. Fill any holes and then sand smooth. Give everything a good dust down, remembering to keep your mask on. Spot prime any exposed areas of putty. Then apply 1 coat of Resene Quick Dry for the entire door frame inside and out. Once dry, lightly sand. Give everything a good dust down, remembering to keep your mask on. Then apply 2 coats of Resene Lustacryl semi-gloss enamel, or you can use 2 coats of Resene Enamel Gloss enamel.